Hello and welcome to the Tryon Park Hotel in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is a Kimpton hotel. We just got checked in. We got upgraded to a one-bedroom suite, which is awesome. It's got a huge soaker tub, so I'm looking forward to that. I believe we have a rooftop bar, and we'll check out the restaurant. We'll do some video up there as well, and hopefully we can get a hold of the Kimpton bicycle and ride around town because this city looks really cool. Stay tuned for more. So Kimpton likes to take care of me with my Diamond Elite status. They upgraded me to a king-size suite, which has 2 rooms. I have a living room here with a desk, TV, and a couch. It also has a mini bar and a great view out the window here. You get Diamond Elite status with lots of stays at IHG hotels. However, you can get Platinum status by having an IHG Rewards card, which is how I started. This is my king-size bedroom, which is the size of most hotel rooms. Comes with its own couch and dresser and TV. Also have a great view here. And then the bathroom is attached right to the king-size suite. You get a double vanity, a special room to do your business in, and then the shower and soaker tub are in a glass enclosed room as well. I had dinner at the hotel restaurant, which is called Angeline's, where I had cacio e pepe, which is Italian for cheese and pepper on your spaghetti or pasta. It was pretty good. They also had a lot of other items on the menu as well. They had steak, but I was only there one night, so that was all that I had. I like to make cacio e pepe at home, so I wanted to try their version. I very much enjoyed my stay at the Kimpton Tryon Park Hotel in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're ever in the area, please stop by and visit. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspires you to get out and get some points and go stay at fancy hotels for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content.